Are you feeding Daddy or Peter? Take it, take it, take it!
Mmm, yummy.
Can I have some teether?
Oh, yeah.
Just kidding.
You be good for Mommy while Daddy goes to work tonight? Huh?
Of course, Dad.
Alright. Well, thank you, my prince.
Mom was trying to take a picture of Nathan's tooth today, but Nathan kept getting his tongue in the way, so all she got was a picture of his tongue.
Oh, you silly goose.
You have a cute tongue, but where's your tooth? The tooth is right there at the bottom. What's Dad doing? Ooh, teether, teether, teether. That's the thing for teething babies.